Okay guys, we're in Weymouth.
Very pretty Weymouth. Why are we in Weymouth?
To see the Disney magic.
What have you got?
Breakfast.
Breakfast. I've got lunch. You've got breakfast. It is 11:30, so either is acceptable. The ribs look good. How was your breakfast?
Really yummy, thank you.
The ribs were good. Cold.
Are you coming to see the Disney magic with us?
It's kind of, I don't care. Not bothered. You can fly, right?
His wings don't look damaged.
Just casually following a seagull down the street.
When in Weymouth?
Dude, if you just go that way, we won't be behind you anymore. We're not following you. There you go. We just walked up some massive hills.
Biggest hill.
Hills?
So big.
More than one hill.
Yeah, plural
But
hills.
we are nearly at the seafront again, and hopefully soon we'll get a glimpse of some magic.
Some Disney magic.
There is another hill.
And unlike the hills,
This one is quite steep.
I've seen the Disney magic. She's there. Can you see her?
Yeah.
She's a beauty.
It's all the way over there. Not that we know what this is.
We don't. Oh, it's the plan. Okay. This is Sandsfoot Castle,
So it is.
and it's gonna have
1541.
one beautiful view at the end.
This is really cool.
So we are in a structure. Sandford Castle is its name, and it has loads of really cute like spots. I mean, how beautiful is this? Like, oh, just beautiful. If there wasn't a child. They're currently playing hide and seek, and the dad is totally winning. She's proper searching for him and he's just jumped through. It's beautiful anyway. There's no roof on it, so it's like to the sky. I forget that when I turn my screen it doesn't turn for you guys. And descent, there's Rich.
It's the Spirit of Discovery.
The Spirit of Discovery is the ship in front of the Disney Magic. Yeah, so this is its timeline. Let me just hold it steady so you guys can see it. How good is that?
1250. 1641 it was made into a military building. 2012 it opened to the public.
Wow.
You see where the other floor would have been up the top. There's a fireplace there. See? There's a chimney here as well.
Wow, look in here as well. Crazy. Okay. Rich wants us to go up. Hello up there. Okay. Rich,
Yeah.
answer some questions for me.
I'll ask some questions.
I'm going to do 20 questions with Rich.
20?
Okay.
Got time for 20? We've got to walk all the way over there.
I know. What are you most looking forward to about the Disney cruise?
Being on that ship and having ice cream.
Yeah, Rich does love ice cream. Okay.
Ice cream. Unlimited.
Unlimited ice cream.
I hope it's a day like this.
Yeah, so do I. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to give you a pad before I carry on questioning Rich. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, Rich.
We're going to walk over to that hill.
How excited are you to do the aqua dunk?
Very.
Very
How to
excited.
answer that? Very. It looks awesome.
What restaurant are you most excited for?
I don't know. They're all very different.
Gonna have to push you for an answer.
Animator's Palette.
Animator's Palette, okay. What show are you most excited for? Of course.
Can't even remember what the others are.
Twice Charmed, A Cinderella Story,
Yeah, that'll be alright.
and Believe, because Believe's on every ship. What do you think your favourite Disney cruise ship will be out of the entire fleet by the time we've conquered it?
The Fantasy.
That was number one.
That's why. I think whichever one you go on is probably your favourite.
The first one you go on.
Whichever one you go on first, sorry. Not a bad little view. There is the Magic over there hiding behind another ship. Which is very rude. We've got so far to walk. You can't see that little castle over behind this building, but we walked all the way around now.
We found a house we want to buy. So heads up there.
That was another Disney Cruise Line bus. This one's way busier than the last one. Walk update.
I'm tired.
Stay your hair from that wind.
I'm sorry.
So, we walked from, I don't even know where we walked from, over there somewhere.
We were like, definitely
I
like,
don't even see the castle. Oh wait, it's there.
where?
You're not going to see the camera.
Oh, okay.
It's like here, and we walked all the way around. Someone struggling.
Hurt myself.
How did you hurt yourself?
Walking.
We walked that way. We're on the island of Portland. Now, there isn't much to look at here. We've still got to go all the way up to get a good view of the Magic. That is a very, very long way we've come now. From somewhere over here, I don't know. So far and so high. What did we come here for?
We came to Weymouth to see the Magic.
Where is the Magic? There is the Magic. So, I have a question for you.
Right.
How did you find the walk up here?
It was horrible. It was truly horrible.
You were so grumpy.
I was so grumpy, I needed a drink.
What
I
do you want me to do
needed
about it?
to stop. I needed to just see the Magic.
There's the Magic right there.
I feel like I almost died for this.
So dramatic. you doing?
Saying bye to the Disney magic.
Shouldn't be saying bye.
I'll be saying see you real soon.
There she blows.
Ship, please. I'll see you soon. She just looks so pretty. I could just cry.